Hi dears, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again. Hope you all doing safe and sound. To cheer up your family, the best option is make their favorite foods and feed them. Today's recipes are my husband's favorite dishes and mine too. These are complete delicious combo. KFC style hot and spicy fried chicken, pita bread or KUBOOS, Tahina sauce with hummus, and the simple garlic sauce. Hope you'll enjoy it. Let's begin. First, let's marinate the chicken. Here I am taking 1.2 kg one whole chicken with skin. Cut it into 8 pieces. You may cut any size of your choice. You may take skinless chicken, but I prefer chicken with skin. It gives great texture and crispy. Wash it well using water along with salt and vinegar and drain the excess water. In a bowl, adding 1 tablespoon soy sauce, one tablespoon hot chili sauce, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, a teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon sweet paprika. If you don't have paprika, you may add 1 more teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, and 1 teaspoon onion powder. Again, if you don't have these powders, then add ginger garlic and onion paste. Add some salt and mix it well. And then add chicken pieces. Again, mix it well coated. Cover and let that rest for 1 hour. Keep it in the fridge. After 1 hour, take another bowl. We want buttermilk for this. For making buttermilk, adding 1.5 cups of full fat milk and 1.5 tablespoons vinegar. Rest for 2 to 3 minutes and our buttermilk is ready. To this, adding 1 bay leaf crushed, 2 eggs, just a pinch of baking soda, 1 tablespoon vinegar, and some salt. Whisk it well. Dip the marinated chicken pieces into the buttermilk mix. Cover and marinate overnight or at least 4 to 5 hours. Keep it in the fridge. Let's start with the first recipe, hummus. To make this, we want tahina. Tahina is a sesame seeds paste. So now let's make the tahina sauce. In a pan, adding 1 cup sesame seeds, roast it on low flame till light brown in color. Sesame seeds burn quickly, so make sure the flame is low. Let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes for cool down slightly. In a blender, add the sesame seeds. It should slightly warm. Blend on high speed, give a stir in between. Now adding half a cup, which is 60 ml vegetable oil, and just a pinch of salt. Blend again. If you want extra creaminess, then add 2 more tablespoon oil. The tahina is ready now. Transfer into a glass jar. It can be stored in the fridge for a month. For making hummus, we want some cooked chickpeas. Here I am taking store-bought one. In the same blender, adding 2 cups chickpeas. This is for garnishing. To this, add 4 cloves of garlic, half a cup of tahina, squeeze juice of half a lemon, half a cup of olive oil, and salt to taste. Blend well. Now adding 1/3 cup of chickpeas stock and blend it again. Shaping with a spoon and add olive oil on top. Garnish with chickpeas and chopped parsley or coriander leaves. Cover and keep it in the fridge. Store it in refrigerator in an airtight container for a week. Pita bread or KUBOOS is a common dish in Middle East. In a bowl, adding 1 cup lukewarm water, 2 teaspoons sugar, and 2 teaspoons yeast. Mix it, leave it for 5 minutes. Into another bowl, adding 2 cups all-purpose flour, half a cup whole wheat flour, and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it together. And then add 1 or 2 tablespoons olive oil. Just crumple the flour. To this, add yeast mix and knead well. Transfer onto the countertop and knead well until it becomes soft and elastic. Keep kneading at least 8 to 10 minutes, then you will get a perfect and soft bread. See how soft it is. Add a tablespoon oil in a bowl and place the dough in oil. Rub all over. Cover and keep for 1 or 2 hours for rising. After 2 hours, the dough doubled in size. Push it and knead once again. Divide the dough into 8 equal balls. Fold inwards so that you will get a smooth dough base. Let it rest for another 15 to 20 minutes. Roll on slightly thin. Heat a tawa on medium flame. Place one bread dough. Cook the bread 6 to 7 seconds and then turn to the other side. Again sit for 6 to 7 seconds and then turn again. Press very gently, it will fluff up. Turn and keep 10 seconds and it's ready. Prepare all the same. Very soft and very delicious. Now let's move to the next one, garlic sauce. Roast 2 teaspoons sesame seeds on low flame for 1 minute. Add it into a blender, blend well. To this, adding 6 tablespoons mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons curd, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons milk and salt to taste. Blend well. And our creamiest garlic sauce is ready. Transfer into a bowl and keep it in the fridge. It's time for fry the chicken. Let's make the coating mix. In a white bowl, add 2 cups all-purpose flour, half a cup of corn flour, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and half a teaspoon oregano. Mix it together. Add some salt and half a teaspoon baking powder. Mix it well and our coating is ready. In another bowl, add some ice water and some ice cubes. Take a piece of chicken, place the flour mix, press with flour gently. And then put the coated chicken into the cold water. Dip for 5 seconds and then take it out. Again coat the chicken in the flour mix and place it on a plate. Do the same way for rest of the chicken. Heat oil on high flame. Place the chicken in hot oil and then immediately decrease the flame on low. Fry 1 minute and then turn the chicken piece. Deep fry for 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. Do not overcrowd the pan, and our flavorful and tastiest broasted chicken is ready. Fry all the chicken in the same way, meanwhile baking the french fries in air fryer, and our special dinner is ready to be served. That's all for today. Hope you like it. Do like and share among with your friends and families. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Follow my Instagram page, link in my description below. This is Shafana. See you in another video. Until then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.